Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for every occasion. Today, we're showcasing what might just be the best Virgo party decorations you can find. If you're planning a birthday party for someone born in August or September, these Gyufise 24 PCs Virgo Cupcake Toppers Glitter 12 Constellation Virgo Cake Topper decorations are the perfect touch to make the celebration extra special. These cupcake toppers are more than just simple party accessories. They're a beautiful, sparkling addition that will elevate your cake or desserts. Made from high-quality 300-gram cardstock and food-grade toothpicks, they are safe to use on cupcakes, cakes, ice cream, fruits, and even cheese platters. What's more, these toppers are pre-assembled, so you can immediately insert them into your cakes without any hassle. They're designed with intricate glitter detailing to make your Virgo-themed party truly shine. The toppers come in a set of 24, each representing one of the 12 Zodiac constellations, with a specific focus on Virgo. Whether you're hosting a Virgo birthday celebration or a horoscope-themed event, these glittery toppers will bring a personalized, fun touch. Not only do they look great on cakes, but they can also be used on other desserts like cookies and pie. What makes these toppers even more exciting is their versatility. They're ideal for a variety of events such as baby showers, kids' birthday parties, and any other special occasion where you want to add a touch of astrology. They're easy to use and instantly make your food look much more appealing, while also impressing your guests with the unique Virgo theme. Please note that these toppers are designed for decoration purposes only and are not edible. They should not be used in the oven or microwave. The backside of the toppers is plain white, which ensures that all the attention stays on their beautiful, glittery front. If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to bring the magic of Virgo to your party, these cupcake toppers from Gyufise are exactly what you need. They're simple, safe, and guaranteed to enhance the festive atmosphere, making them the best Virgo party decorations available. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more amazing product reviews.